Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable sending last location on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Enabling this option will send your last location when your battery is critically low on your iPhone to Apple, so even if your phone discharges, you can still find the last location when it was enabled. So to enable this option, go to Settings, then click on your Apple account on the top, then Find My iPhone, and then enable Send Last Location. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.